Hi, my name is David P. Shapiro. I'm the owner and managing partner of the law office of David P. Shapiro, located in San Diego, California, where my firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. And in this video, I want to talk to you about something that has really taken the country, and particularly San Diego and the southwest part of the United States, by storm the last couple of years, but particularly in the last 2-3 years or so, and that is the drug fentanyl. And it is something that we are seeing a lot of overdoses, unfortunately, that are resulting in people losing their lives for taking the drug fentanyl. Some where they're expecting that it is in fact fentanyl, just maybe in stronger doses than what their body can handle. And other instances where they're expecting the drug, the pill, what have you, to be something differently than what it winds up being, which is in fact fentanyl, and their body is not prepared for it, and they're not don't have any tolerance to it, and they wind up unfortunately losing their life, or really coming pretty near close to it. And what we've seen as fentanyl has emerged on the scene here, particularly in San Diego the last couple of years, is the shift between, for a long time when you had a serious drug or a lot of drugs, the federal government would pick it up. They would take that case from the states. What we're seeing now, though, is a trend where actually the states are picking up these cases. The states are prosecuting possession of fentanyl, and they are treating them significantly more harshly than your run-of-the-mill possession for sale of methamphetamine under Health and Safety Code Section 11378, or your run-of-the-mill possession of cocaine or heroin for sale under Health and Safety Code 11351. Same thing goes for transportation. Transportation of fentanyl is being punished significantly more harshly than most, if not all, other drug offenses. And what we're also seeing are the government, whether the United States government federally or the San Diego District Attorney's Office here in San Diego and the Southern District, California, really going after the distributors of fentanyl whenever there's an overdose. So what are they looking at, right? They're looking at cell phones, they're looking at social media, they're looking at who these people are talking to, who their buyer, who their connect is, where they're getting the drugs from, what the distributor or what the seller knew. And what's most unfortunate about this is when you have a situation where someone loses their life because of a fentanyl overdose, and the person who sold the drug to the person who ultimately lost their life is really a recreational user, or is really someone who's caught up in their own addiction. They're not necessarily living a life of leisure, making a ton of money moving fentanyl. They're usually just selling to feed their own habit, and then they go from being an addict to being responsible for a death and being charged as such. So it's very, very important that if you find yourself in a situation where you're around fentanyl, you feel like you're addicted to fentanyl, you're using fentanyl, first you got to stop. You got to avail yourself of the resources of your family if you can, of the community, of the substance abuse community here in San Diego, and of your attorney. And if if you're out there and you're looking for a referral to a reputable treatment program, whether you have a criminal case or not, give my office a call, 619-295-3555, 619-295-3555. And certainly, if you are facing criminal charges relating to fentanyl in San Diego or the Southern District, California as a whole, you need a reputable criminal defense firm with the quality experience to handle these types of cases. We are certainly one of a small handful of firms that are capable, competent, and we believe can do as good, if not a better job than anybody out there. 619-295-3555. Again, my name is David Shapiro, the owner and managing partner of the law office of David Shapiro in San Diego, California, where we help good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime.